Hi, I'm Isa Baksa. Welcome to Isang Manunulat Shorts. Today's topic is Provisions to Include in Your Writing Contract Part 2. There are many ways to name your writing agreement: independent contractor agreement, service level agreement, contract, etc. But for me, I prefer Statement of Work or SOW. Why? Because it clearly describes what I will deliver, how I will deliver it, and what the client can expect. It's not just legal fluff. It's a proposal, quotation, agreement rolled into one. The SOW becomes our contract the moment the client signs it. So whether you could call it a proposal, quotation, agreement, or contract, just make sure it's specific and structured. In the next video, I'll show you how to define who you're actually working with and why that matters. Visit isangmanunulat.com and read the full blog post. Thanks for watching.